Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to scan QR codes on your Aorus 15 laptop. So to scan a QR code you just need to open the camera app, which I'm gonna find here in all, camera. Now you need to let it access microphone and camera. You can also optionally access location. And now you just need to set the barcode scanner here and then put the QR code in front of the camera. Then you'll be able to easily press on the link. Then I actually didn't open Edge yet, and as you can see it just opens the website from the QR code. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.